Alright, so what we got here is BMW 1 Series 2014, and we fully retrofitted in CarPlay on the original system. So it's the original CIC system it comes with, and we've retrofitted full wireless CarPlay, so you don't need to connect any cables. And there you go. Now you got full CarPlay right on the original screen without changing anything. You can use the original controller, so you can use all your favorite apps like Waze, Google Maps, Spotify. Anything supported on CarPlay will come up. All the sound comes with the original system. And you can always switch back to the original system as well. If you want this retrofitted, see the link down below for more information. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.